Hello, Beez Bladers. Welcome back and welcome newcomers to the channel. Olight is having their big summer sale and I'm about to share some brand new releases with you. Are you ready? Let's do it. The sale runs from 8 p.m. July 11th until midnight July 15th. And all of these are brand new releases you're going to be able to get. And I'm releasing this video right about the time you're going to be able to get them. And I've got so many cool things. We have the brand new Olight Classic Pro 2 Olantern. The Olantern Classic 2 Pro. How about that? Did I get it? And check this out. It's the new Obulb Pro. Oh my gosh, it has an app, and then these little dudes, and then an IR2. All right, let's start with this one. So this is the Olantern Classic 2 Pro, and I have to say, it is completely awesome. I went outside and just sat on the back porch with this on low just because of the ambiance, the glow that it puts off. It has that old-timey look and the old-timey feel. They have 3 different colors. This is definitely my personal favorite. You can hang this if you want to. I mean, this is, you don't have, if the power goes out or if you go camping, this is going to be good for any purpose. Not to mention, there's a couple other little secrets about it I'm going to show you. But it starts out at 10 lumens. And then you can bump it up and it goes up another notch in this soft like orange or yellow light. And then once you get to a certain point, it switches over to the white LEDs right about there. Yeah, look at that. And then up in top, you have those white LEDs. Would you check that out? And then it buffers right back down into that soft light and that soft glow. And I really enjoy it. Now on the lowest setting, on the warm glow, the 10 lumens will last for 7.5 days. You can leave it on this setting right here and have plenty of light to do whatever. And it's going to last 7.5 days before you have to recharge it. And then you ramp it up to the top of the warm glow. And it goes to 130 lumens and that'll last for 23 hours. And then once you get to the white, the warm white, look at that. Whoo! It is warm maybe at the lowest setting, right when you get about there. You get 23 hours of runtime at 130 lumens, and then it goes all the way up to 300, which is like super bright. You don't even need it that high. I totally love that. Now check this out. A couple of the cool features I got to figure out, which I didn't have to figure out. I read some instructions. I do that from time to time. The battery indicator light, when it's green, when you turn it on, that means you're good to go. And it's green until you get down to 15%, and then it'll turn red. And then when you get to 5%, it'll start blinking red like, hey, plug me in. So I think that's really cool. Now check this out. This is just the coolest thing ever. It has a USB-A and a USB-C charging point. Charger point? Charger point. It's charger ports. You could use this as a power bank to charge stuff. Is that not the most, I mean, you talk about awesome. Camping, having this camping and being able to do this. I wish I would have had this when we went camping. And some of you were with us on the live stream when we went camping. But being able to use it as a power source, that is amazing. And then of course it has the Olight's typical charging. Whoop. Let's not break it. It's actually pretty tough. But look at that. You just do that and you're going to be charging. And I believe it'll charge up in about 4 hours. I got to tell you, this thing is the coolest ever. I have a couple lanterns and the fact that it's rechargeable and it lasts that long and it's that carefree, I really, really enjoy this. Now let's go to the next. Now, if you're already familiar with Olight, you know what this is. It's the i1r2 Pro. That's right, the Pro. Look at that, lake blue. Is that not a gorgeous looking blue? Now, if you're not familiar or if you don't know what it is, I'll give you just a couple numbers. All you have to do is twist it and then you have 5 lumens. And I don't know how many times I've had this on my keychain and someone needed a light and I pull this out and they're like, oh, that's cool. I'm like, oh yeah, you want to see this? Pow, right in the kisser. It goes up to 180 lumens. And this thing is not a huge flashlight either. It's only 2 inches, 2.02 inches and 0.64 inches in diameter. It is not a big light, but it packs a serious punch. There's not a bunch of buttons or anything to fool with. And you just twist it and it turns off. And guess what? You don't have to put batteries in it. You keep turning and look at there. Look at that. All you got to do is plug it up. And matter of fact, you can plug it up with the lantern and recharge it with the lantern. Is that not the coolest thing ever? So let me show you a couple more cuties. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you, this is IPX8 waterproof rated. How about that? You know what that means? That means this thing is waterproof. You're not gonna have to worry if you drop it in a puddle. All you'll do is light the puddle up. And look at that, it's telling you right there, off, low, high. Yeah, pretty simple. All right, now let's check out the new little dudes. This is the new imini, and I have to say, I absolutely love this thing. Wait till you see this. And the magnets, I don't know where they got the magnets that they put in these little things, but they are amazing. Check this out. All you have to do when you have it on your keychain, you just pop it off and the light automatically turns on. Is that not the coolest thing ever? Check that out. And when you pop it back in, it turns off. It is so, and look at how strong. It is a very strong magnet. Matter of fact, when I was starting the filming of this, I dropped it and I couldn't find it because it was stuck on the side of the tripod. It didn't even make it to the ground. It found a piece of metal and pink, just like that. And they have the red and the black. And while this sale's going on, these are only $4.99. Are you kidding me? And check this out. I can make them Beez Blades colors. Where's they at? Look at that. Red and black, baby. Check it out. And these things, I mean, they are very attractive. But I have to say, I mean, for what you get for $4.99, and normally I think they're going to be about $14.99, but right now you can get one for $4.99. I think that's just awesome. Now, I don't do a bunch of specs on flashlights, but just letting you know, they're 1 3/8 inches long and they're 0.54 in diameter. So they're not a big light at all. And they take 3 LR41. I can't even see what I'm doing. They take 3 LR41 batteries, and it comes with 3 replacement batteries on top of the 3 that are in it. And it'll go for about a half an hour at 10 lumens. Now let me tell you about the Obulb Pro. Now, I don't have the original Obulb, but I can tell you about this one because I've been playing with it, and it has an app that comes with it. Oh my goodness. It is just so much fun. So before I forget, this weighs about 3.7 ounces. It's 2.5 inches from this side to this side, and it's about 2.25 inches high. So it's not very high. It has a bunch of different light modes. I'm going to show you here in just a second. It's IPX7 waterproof. You can let this float around in a fish tank? No, don't do that. I don't know if you can do that. You can actually throw this in the pool. You can have it floating around in the pool or a water fountain, and you're not going to have to worry about anything. And it comes with this because you can stick this to anything. Just like these little iminis, you can stick them to literally anything that a magnet will stick to. You can just pop it and it'll stick right to it. That's another one of the really cool things about the Obulb is you can just, and you're good to go. And by the way, it also comes with the same recharging cord, which is just totally awesome. It's so simple, so easy to use. Now, check out this app. And now, you know me, I'm always backtracking if I forget. This olight symbol right here, it is sticky. So if you have somewhere you want to put this, like under a shelf or in a specific place, and you want to have somewhere magnetic to stick it, that's what you can do with this bad boy. Now, check out this app. It is the coolest thing I've seen with the flashlight. You can use the app. I have it on my tablet to make it bigger so it's easier to see. Now watch this. The app has got to be one of the easiest apps I've ever used on any kind of flashlight or not flashlight, but light bulbs. I've tried to get them with light bulbs and they're a pain, but this one is so easy. You can put it on the MC fade and it will fade all the different colors. And then there's the cycle. It'll cycle through all the different colors. And there we go. Let's do this. It's not going to do it justice just because of the camera, but it goes through such a wide variety of colors. And look at this. So you have your red, your green, your blue, and then I'm not going to do the red flashing one in case someone's photosensitive, but look at here. You can come over here and make it whatever color you want. Now see how it looks purple? Look, the camera's like, oh, wait a minute. Oh, look at that. Isn't that cool? You can change it any color, not to mention, from the app, you can change the brightness and make it super uber bright. And then you can go back to the white light, and look at this. You don't ever need it that bright. I mean, that is just like, okay, all right, okay. I just love playing with this thing. It is so sweet. The app is free. You can get it on Apple and iOS, and it gives you all these options. And on top of that, you can have 8 groups of lights. So you don't have to have just one. You just go on there and you pair an Obulb, and you pair another one, then you pair another one. You can do them separately, and you can control them separately. So you can have different colors. You can have them, like I said, you can have them floating around or maybe surrounding your deck. But this is just so cool. I've had so much fun playing with this app. Oh, almost did it. I did there just for a second. But you could just have it in the background for a little bit of ambiance. All right, let's go back to the big screen. So there are some new releases from Olight, and look at this. You get googly eyes. You get googly eyes with the Obulb. I didn't put them on there, but you know, I really should have, because that is going to look funny. So you get googly eyes with that. Oh, and also the USB-C charger port, it comes with a nice long USB-C cord. That is really sweet, because pretty much everything I have, that will charge it. So that is exciting. It comes with, you get all of these things. These aren't all of the new releases. This is just some of them, but I hope you enjoyed this. As you know, if you're used to Beez Blades, I'm used to reviewing knives, but I love flashlights. I'm a flashlight enthusiast. I love having them around when the power goes out. Now that I have Olights, I'm telling you what, I don't even worry about it. I'm like, I got it covered. So tell me what you think. Do you like lights? Do you like Olights? If you don't, that's totally cool, because you know that we're gonna have plenty of knives on the channel. So until I see you again, or talk to you again, or see you in the live streams or the chats, remember, live life in the present, keep a Band-Aid handy, and don't cut yourself.